For this unit, what we're going to do is we're going to do something a little bit different instead of a unit test. So at the end of Module 5, what's going to happen is you're going to see something that says chemistry calculation escape room kind of thing. So it's a virtual escape room, adventures in chemistry calculations, I call it. And I'll show you how to navigate this in a moment. What you're going to want to do is to download the chemistry adventure calculation worksheet that goes along with this particular activity. Okay, and this is your formal evaluation, so end of unit evaluation that I'd like you to do. So let's go back to this link here, and what will happen is this should open up. There we go. And maybe I will make the screen a little bit bigger. So how we navigate this is you can read about the introduction. So you're on your quest to get your hands on Avogadro's notebook. It's locked in an old safe and no one in the family knows the password. So it's up to you to try and figure out all of the code and clues. So here are the different scientists that you are going to encounter along the way. And getting started, you're going to see that there are various destinations. You start off at destination number 1. Destination number 1, you encounter your first scientist here, and what will happen is there is a question that you need to answer. And in order to get full marks, you must show full solutions. So one of these answers is correct. Now, if you get it incorrect, so let's say that I click on this one and it's incorrect, your plane will crash and you can then try again. So what will happen is you will solve for the correct one, and when you solve the correct one, it will take you to the next spot, okay? So what's going to happen is with each scientist, there are going to be, I believe, 3 questions. So let's just take a look here. So scientist number 1, there is the question. I only wrote out the first question for you. You must write out the question for each part. Okay, and what will happen here is you'll show your solution in this box here. If you don't have the capability of printing this off, that's okay. Just do everything on a separate line sheet of paper, but make sure that it's sort of formatted the exact same way that I have this worksheet, okay? Because you're going to be submitting all of that. Now, what will happen, going back to the escape room here, once you have finished destination number 1, okay, what will happen is you will then solve and it'll give you a safe number. So the first digit to open the safe. Okay. Then you will come back and you will go to destination number 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. Once you get all of the numbers in order, you will then go to the safe here and you will enter in your code in order to solve the puzzle, okay, in order to save that Avogadro's notebook. So that's what we're going to do instead of a unit test. Make sure that you show full solutions when required. If it's just a single word answer, then you still need to write out the question and then give me your answer, because some of them are theory type questions and knowledge, and then the other part is application where you have to show your solutions. So reach out if you have any questions with regards to that, and good luck to you.